Hey everybody, today we're taking a look at the IQ Charger 2.0. This is a wall charger spy cam by Alphatec. Let's open it up and check it out. All right, so this is everything in the box. You can have a good surveillance experience. We got our user's manual over here. A couple little sticky tabs that'll go on the back side so you can keep the SD card hidden, so more on that later. A couple USB cords here, really just to sell the experience that it's a charger and not a spy cam. Then we have a couple adapters. This one will allow you to take the SD card out and then you can plug this into the computer to read it if you don't have a micro SD card reader. Or you could also use this little adapter right here, which you put on the very end, and then you can plug this into your phone and read the files directly from that. And then if we come in on the charger itself, this thing is super small, lightweight, discreet. This looks exactly like you would expect a charging brick to look. You can't even see the camera. It's right here in the center, so it blends in perfectly with the black right here. On the back side, you've got your SD card slot. You've also got a slide switch here, so you're gonna have the ability to have motion detection. So when somebody walks by, it'll trigger the motion detection instead of just watching hours of endless recording that has nothing on it. Or you can have loop recording, which basically means it will start recording as soon as you plug it in. And once it gets to the end of the SD card, it'll just start to overwrite the oldest content first. As you'll see, there's no indicators, no blinking lights, nothing that gives it away that there's a camera in here, and it's undetectable for camera scanners because there is no Wi-Fi module or infrared LEDs. When you're ready, all you have to do is slide the micro SD card right in. It is recommended that you get a newer one around class 10 or better, and it can handle up to a 512 gigabyte size card, and then just plug this right into power. Once you get it adjusted for the area you want to monitor, you might use one of the cords so it looks like this is just the area where you typically charge your phone, or maybe even include a power bank or something so it looks like it is charged but you just left it sitting there. Basically, nothing to see here, nothing suspicious. Now the quality of video is real nice out of this. You can see even in lower light in the living room, we have good image quality. And then even in the kitchen with more light, it's even more crystal clear and crisp. So when you're ready to view the files, put the SD card into the reader like so. I'm gonna start with the phone adapter first. Plug it right into the bottom, and you're gonna go into your file folder program. And you can see it showed up down here at the bottom as a mass storage device. And the files are stored in the video folder. And you can see we have all of these right here. And you can watch all of your files right on the phone. Or option 2, plug the thumb drive into your computer and come over to your Finder window. It should be labeled no name. Click on it right there. You can go right into the video folder, and then you can take a look at all your different movies, double click on it, and you'll be able to play it in your native media player. So as you can see, super easy to use. Just plug it in, set it and forget it, come back at a later point in time and then review the footage, make a judgment call based on that. But you got a nice complete package with everything to get you up and going for a good surveillance operation. And if that's something that you're looking for, then this is definitely the thing that you're going to want to check out.